Adi Sharma, class XI MCQ on mathematical reasoning. Question number 1. Who is of the following is a statement? We know that all declarative sentences are called as a statement. So option A is the right answer because it is in declarative sentence. But B, C, D in सभी statement best sentence written is imperative sentence. So answer is option A. Question number 2. The negation of the statement it is raining and weather is cold. Let it is raining statement P, weather is cold statement Q. Here P and Q. So इसका negation logical equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So negation of the statement is it is not raining or weather is not cold. Answer is this. Note down. The converse of the statement, if Bilu secure good marks, then he will get a bicycle. Let Bilu secure good marks is P statement. Let he will get a bicycle is Q statement. This statement is a conditional statement. So if P then Q. उसका कन्वर्स क्या होगा? if Q then P. So answer of statement is if Bilu will get a bicycle, then he will secure good marks. Note down. Question number 4. Which of the following is a statement? We know that statement means declarative sentence and defined statement. Defined statement. Option number A, X is a real number. Here X is not defined, so it is not a statement. Option B, switch up the fan. It is an imperative sentence, so answer is not this. The option D, let me go. It is an imperative sentence, so it is not. Option C, 6 is the natural number, so answer is the C. How it is a declarative sentence. Note down. Next, 5 number question. Which of the following is not a statement? It means who is not declarative sentence. Option number D, come here. It is a imperative sentence, so it is not a statement. So answer is option D. Note down. Next, question number 6. Which of the following is not a statement? It means who is not a declarative sentence. Here option number A, the angles opposite to equal sides of a rectangle are equal. It is a declarative sentence, so it is a statement. Option B, the moon is a satellite of Earth. It is a declarative sentence, so it is a statement. Option C, may God bless you. It is an imperative sentence, so it is not a statement. Last option is Asia is a continent. It is a declarative sentence, so it is a statement. Answer is C because it is a imperative sentence. Note down. Next, question number 7. The connective in this statement 2 plus 7 is greater than 9 or 2 plus 7 is less than 9 is, देखो here all is connective in this statement, so answer is B option. Note down. Next, question number 8. The contrapositive of this statement if P then Q. We know that if P then Q का contrapositive क्या होगा? Negation. If negation Q then negation P. Option number C, if negation Q then negation P is the right answer. Note down. Next, question number 9. The negation of this statement 7 is greater than 8 is 7 is not greater than 8. Answer is option B. Note down. Next, 10 number question. The negation of this statement a circle is an ellipse is by using not. Option C is the right answer. A circle is not an ellipse. Next, 11 number question. Q is a proportion such that 101 is not a multiple of 3, then negation Q is dash. Option A is the right answer because 101 is a multiple of 3. Note down. Next 12 number question. R is a proportion such that 7 2 is divisible by 2 and 3. Then negation R dash. Here and is connective, so it is a compound proposition, compound statement. So prime component R, let P is a proportion such that 72 is divisible by 2, and second is Q is a proportion such that 72 is divisible by 3. So P conjunction with Q, P and Q का negation is logical equivalent to negation P or negation P, and it is your or. Answer will be 72 is not divisible by 2 or 72 is not divisible by 3. Note down. Next 13 number question. Negation of Rajesh or Rajni lived in Bangalore is dash. Here or is a connective, so it is a compound proposition. So prime component P is such that is a proposition such that Rajesh lived in Bangalore. Next second is Q is a proposition such that Rajni lived in Bangalore. Symbolic form is P, Q, R. The disjunction. Negation of P or Q is logically equivalent to negation P and negation Q. So answer will be Rajesh did not live in Bangalore, and conjunction and Rajni did not live in Bangalore. Note down. Next 14 number question. Negation of plants take CO2 and give out O2. Here and is a connective, so it is a compound proposition. So prime component R, P is a proposition such that plants take CO2. Second is Q is a proposition such that plants give out O2. Given format is P and Q. इसका negation is logically equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So answer will be plants don't take CO2 or don't give out O2. Note down. Next 15 number question. The negation of the product of 3 and 4 is 9 is dash. Here and is not used as connective, so we use a phrase like it is false. So answer will be A option. It is false that the product of 3 and 4 is 9. Another statement B is option. Here it has 12, so it is wrong. Next C option, it has 12, so it is wrong. Given it has 9. Last option is it is false. Here false, it has false, or it has not. So it is a double negation, it is wrong. Note down.